We're here at the Component Development Test Warehouse, which is on the Greenville gas turbine manufacturing site, which houses engineering for gas turbine and wind manufacturing. We also have a mechanical lab which tests wind components. We used to store things in compressor rooms anywhere we could find indoor storage. And we basically just outgrew the facility. Probably a couple years before the warehouse was built, I had got a random email from Active Rack and presented it to management, and it showed that we could take our 300 positions and make about 680, 690 positions, and basically sold itself.
One of the benefits that this customer had was the fact that we essentially doubled their storage capacity in the same footprint that they were currently going to give up for a regular selective rack. If you're looking for a one-to-one relationship with a pallet or something like that, you can go and have access to it in a matter of seconds, which is totally different than most other products, that you can still have that one-to-one relationship, but the footprint is expanded dramatically.
The best part about it is still having a 14-foot aisle, so you don't have to worry about forklifts. Active Rack basically is run without any instances of damage or maintenance or anything. It just keeps on running. We talked about adding another 50 pallet positions, and Bart already has the drawings, so when we get the extra system approved, it's just a matter of having it installed.